So at the moment the back brake is rigged up separately to this lever, and I'm using this lever as a clutch. So when you change gear, you're not changing under full load with the motor. That's down to an accident I had in April. It can be put back, and then if you just touch the brake lever, it will disconnect the motor and you can change gear. So, take off. Out at 27 kilometers an hour, which is in reality 25, which is the legal limit. So first gear and a good bit of effort to get up this hill. This is where you feel the weight of it. Now the other side, coming back from the village, it's not as steep, but it's very long.